How to turn on camera on Instagram video call in laptop. First, open your preferred web browser. For example, I will open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type instagram.com and press enter. Click on Login and sign in to the account for which you want to allow camera and microphone access. If you are automatically logged into an account but want to switch, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Click on Switch Accounts and choose the account you want to use. Now, to allow permissions, move your cursor to the address bar and click on the View Site Information icon. Then click on Site Settings. This will open a new page where you can manage permissions. Find Camera, click on the drop-down arrow next to it and select Allow. Do the same for microphone. Click the drop-down arrow and select Allow. Once you've done that, camera and microphone access will be enabled for Instagram. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.